In this video, I will show you how and where you can download your final files for your certificate or any other Canva template, and what exactly type of files do you need. So once you have edited the text, you should click on this share button here and here on download. In this drop-down menu, you will see a few options for download. Some of the options, like this SVG, are available in Pro subscriptions only, but this type of files you won't need for the templates. So we are going to share, download, and in case we want to print this file, we will go to PDF print. Here you have a few options. I suggest you to check this flattened PDF file because you will get better results, but it is not necessary. And as for the color profile, you have two options here, for digital and for printing. As you see, the printing option is available for Pro subscriptions only, but don't worry, in case that you purchased certificate from my Etsy shops, my certificates are ready for print even in RGB color mode. So, even if you don't have Pro subscription mode, this PDF file will be ready for print. So go to Share, Download, PDF Print, click here on Flatten PDF and click on Download. Your certificate, your file, will be downloaded on your computer and you can now print it at home or send to any printing company you like. But in case that you want to use this certificate online, for example, to share it on Instagram, you will need another type of file, and it is PNG type of file. The PNG files are the best for digital use. They are always in RGB color mode, meaning they are the best for digital use. So go to Share button here, Download, and you have the option PNG here. As a Pro subscriber, I have these two options here to compress the file and to save it with transparent background, but I don't need to check any of these fields for the certificate, so even if you don't have Pro subscriptions, it will be okay. So you should choose the PNG type of file here and click on Download. In case you need a larger size of your file, you can increase the size. Just a minute. You can increase the size here, as you see, size, but this original size is good enough for the web use. But in case you need larger, you have increased the size here by 3 times. Okay, I hope this helped. Thanks for watching.